that that's the hardest thing to do, is to market yourself and in a little place, because we just don't have people coming through. Hey, and all the people that are here already have all our stuff. I've been doing this for 25 years here. I did my diploma and with Ralph Johnson at Paarl Technikon. They did a special course for potters to teach pottery, so that we don't teach people, so we teach people the right way of doing stuff. Most of my work is these kind of ethnic things for the lodges, Isibindi lodges. They use all my stuff as their crockery. Yeah. I just do stoneware. All my ware is high fired, so you can put it in the microwave and dishwasher, and it's very strong. It lasts for years. I've had people. I've sent dinner services to Australia and England, Germany, and they don't break. This is the latest. This is my latest kind of clay. It's black. It's actually black clay. It's wonderful. I think it's actually a very nice feel. That's what I had at the exhibition. Most of my clay comes from Johannesburg. Clay gets made in factories now. It's not dug up. So that every time I make something, it shrinks in the same way and it fits to other, If you dig up the clay, every time you have to wash it and dry it and clean it, and you never know if it's going to shrink at the same thing. So I can make lids for things that fit onto that. As a necessity for somebody who didn't have a job and had to support her children, so we gave her the space to come and sell art and homemade eats and things and vegetables in our carport. And that was 13 years ago. And from there it just grew into a whole market and a whole big tea garden with 18 tables. We have 50 chairs, so we sometimes are completely full. And it's just grown into a community gathering place, and a place where people in the community can sell what they make at home.